Hello YouTube. Today we are going to unbox the new entry-level gaming laptop from Asus. It is the Asus VivoBook. It comes with Intel Core i5 9th Gen with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. Comes with 8 GB of RAM with 512 GB SSD. Screen is full HD IPS level but not IPS. Although it's hard to notice any issues with screen quality and has excellent screen with good viewing angles. Screen has less bezels than laptop is slim and does not feel heavy. Timing lasts due to SSD and generally boots within 5 to 6 seconds. Here are the complete diagnostics information of the system. Further we will see how laptop performs in gaming. I am trying ultra settings with no frames restriction in FIFA 19 and game works smoothly. With GTX 1650 it should be good for entry-level gaming. Please support my channel by like, comment or subscribing. Laptop link is available in description with complete specifications. Thank you watching this video.